YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. This month you may be looking for recipes for busy school day mornings, for quick lunchbox ideas, weekday dinner ideas, and we have all of that to share with you right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel in the month of September. Today I'm going to share with you how to make apple cinnamon orange Pop-Tarts. These Pop-Tarts are not like store-bought Pop-Tarts, they're so much better. So here's how you make them. You will need 1 Limoneira navel orange, apple, cassava flour, maple syrup, puff pastry sheets, powdered sugar, and cinnamon. Begin by juicing the orange and chopping the apple. In a blender, add the apple and most of the orange juice. Save 2 tablespoons for the icing. Add the cassava flour, maple syrup, and cinnamon to the blender and blend until you have a thick applesauce. Cut the puff pastry into rectangles and brush the edge with maple syrup and spoon a few tablespoons of applesauce into the middle. Then top with a second rectangle and use a fork to seal the edges. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. While they are baking, mix a cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed Limoneira orange juice. Once the Pop-Tarts are finished baking, let them cool before icing and then enjoy. To view or print this recipe, there's a link below in the video description box, as well as links to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful start to your fall season, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!